Come with me through my Tidewater condo in Orange Beach, Alabama, where you'll see big views, big values, and big bonuses. Tidewater 101 is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath with 2 primary suites, one on the Gulf side, one on the north side of the building. And we have expansive views since it is also a corner unit. You've got Gulf views in the primary, here in the living space, and all along the kitchen and dining. Come on, let's look. Now that I showed you the views, I want to tell you about the value. We are currently listed at $689. Now, the next 3-bedroom, 3-bath in all of Orange Beach along the Gulf is listed at $749. The most recent close in Orange Beach, 3-bedroom, 3-bath, which was just 5 days ago, $788. And the next
Okay, I've got to stop myself right there. I made a mistake. I squirreled out. I jumbled the numbers. The current other 3-bedroom, 3-bath corner unit in Tidewater is listed at $820, and the most recent to close was in May of 25 at $805 in Tidewater. So yes, this is absolutely a great investment.
bonus number 1, only 1 flight of stairs if the elevator goes out. Here's the unit right here. Convenient. Bonus number 2 is the amenities. Beautiful outdoor pool. Also, an indoor pool, which renters love. And a workout room and sauna. And finally, bonus number 3 is a covered, assigned, deeded parking spot. There are only a handful of these in the units, and I believe only the corner 3-bedroom, 3-baths originally were given these spaces when the developer built Tidewater. These can be transferred, and at last value that I was able to find was back in 2018. Because I think people rather hang on to these than get rid of them. But at that time, the value was between $10,000 and $15,000. So I would assume it would add on approximately $15,000 or $20,000 value to the unit today. If you have any further questions or interest, give me a call at 251-609-4434 or have your favorite agent bring you by for a tour.